We're going to create PPT slides using ChatGPT and Gamma AI tools. So in order to create these slides, we will first use ChatGPT. Just go to Google, search for ChatGPT, and you can open the ChatGPT tab once you log in. Now the next step would be to type in what you want in your slides. So here it would be, please help me make 30 slides, and you can type in your topic. It can be anything you want. Here I am going to say machine learning or basics of machine learning. Once you're done with your prompt, you can hit enter. Be sure to make that your prompts are quite elaborate or quite specific, because the quality of your slides depends on the prompts which are entered in. So once you do that, you will have different contents of the different slides generated. So the next step would be to copy this, but here I'm not happy with the slide, so let me just give another prompt asking ChatGPT to elaborate on each slides. So I'll just say please elaborate on the topics in the slides and hit enter. So now you can see each slide is quite descriptive. So once ChatGPT is done generating the slides, you can just copy paste them onto your Gamma AI tool, again which is free and it's available online. So you can click on the copy button in ChatGPT in order to copy the slides. You can just verify the slides. If you're not happy with it, you can regenerate it or give another prompt. I'm going to click copy. So now the slides are copied to the clipboard, and these contents are going to be used in Gamma AI. So in order to go to Gamma AI, in the search bar, search for Gamma AI, click on the first tab which you find, and you can sign up for free here. All you have to do is enter your email address and then you will be able to log in. So I'll just log in now. So once you open your home, it asks whether you want presentation document. So I will click presentation. The next thing I'll do is I'll click on paste in, and here I'll just copy paste whatever was copied from ChatGPT. You can also generate your slides directly in Gamma AI using the second option, but we are going to use ChatGPT here, and I'll just remove the data which is not needed and just show you how you can start up. So just click on continue. So here I'll go and select. First you can check the slides. If it's okay, they can go with continue. Here we have to select a theme from the theme which we like, and I'm going to select this one. So you can see Once you have selected the theme, it starts generating. So all the content which was added in as a text is getting converted into PowerPoint. All the data is getting typed in, and you can see on the sides where there is images are created by the AI, which was not given as an input from the user. So importance of applications, all these topics with titles and the contents are getting created. So here again the bullet points and everything will be done automatically. It's a very quick way to create large number of slides in a very less time. Even the subdivision of different types and so on, all this is done automatically. The AI also adds in pictures, as you can see here. So you can see the background as well. Images are added by the AI. So once your presentation is ready, you will get a prompt saying that the presentation is ready. Then you can click on the three dots and click on export. If you want it as a PDF, you can export it as a PDF. Here I am going to select export to PowerPoint. So the PPT is getting created, and you can see you can open the PPT from your downloads. Open. So you can see you can edit this PPT in Microsoft PowerPoint, make changes to it. You have to note that since it's free, you get a gamma bookmark on the presentations.